Hello all, welcome in this session. Today we will see how we can segregate text from one cell into multiple cells. So let's say we have some names. I have taken the Olympic medal winners from India. So these are the name and surname and which are in the same cell. So let's assume that there is some data, the 2 or 3 words, they are in the same cell and we want it in different cell. Like this example, we want to segregate name and surname. So how we can do it? Okay, so for that, very simple step, you can select the data. Okay, then you can go to the data on the top and here text to column. You can see this split a single column of text into multiple columns, so you can read the description over here. But to segregate it, you have to click on text to columns, keep delimited as it is, then click next. So what is the delimiter for you? So that is the space, right? So please click space over here. It will not be there by default, so you have to click space over here, and at the same time you will see the data preview at the bottom, right? So you can see, okay, so this is now okay, so it is correctly segregating it. Then click on the next. And what is your destination? So please select the destination as the next cell where you want it and just click on finish. Okay, so there is already data because there was data previously. So do you want to replace it? Yes. Okay, yes, perfect. Now you can see over this cells, this data, what I wanted it to be separated, now you can see in the green. Okay, I have highlighted it. So you can see I can segregate data from one cell into multiple columns, multiple cells. Now is the reverse possible? So let's say if we have data in 2 cells, so name and surname, and I want that into one cell. If that is the case, can we do it? So yes, reverse is possible. So there is one formula you might be aware, concat. Okay, so if I use concat, first cell and then second cell and enter, then this will be done, but there is no space in between, right? So concat formula won't be useful over here. So what we can do? Okay, so concat will give us directly the first cell and second cell, but here we want the space in between as well, right? So what you can do is, there is one very simple formula of AND. Okay, so you have to just put the ampersand, the AND sign. So I'll select the first cell and now you want space, right? So you can put it in double inverted comma. So double inverted comma start, one space, inverted comma close, again the ampersand, that is AND sign, and the second cell, right? So if I just copy this formula, now you can see I have now received the same data, right? Means you can separate from one cell into different columns, different cells, and from different columns you can put it in one cell as well, right? So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked it, please give a like, comment about your views, and please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of next videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.